Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want every Gumroad sale automatically logged in a database. If you are managing customers, products, or even revenue data, spreadsheets can get messy fast. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad with Airtable so every sale is stored automatically. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we want to access our Gumroad account. Then we can go and look for any automation tool like Zapier or even Make. So go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for gumroad.com, tap on the link, this link basically. So this new tab gonna show up. We will have to log in using our email address and password, then tap on dashboard. So that's our dashboard. Let's go now and look for Zapier, the world's most connected AI platform. Right now we're gonna go and create a Zap. Just go and select Gumroad. Okay, we select Gumroad as the first app. Then we have to pair it with the other one. So let's go and look for Airtable. Here we go. This is Airtable for you. So the trigger, we have to choose it. Let's say it's a new sale. As for the action, I don't know to pick like create a record. Okay, let's go with create record. Create a new record with auto population feeds. That's actually good. Make sure you also connect your API key. I'm talking about the Gumroad account using your API key. Then choose your baseline table. Map field should be like buyer name, email, product, price, purchase date, all of this. Then you can integrate for free or start with Google for free to test the Zap, then you can publish it. Now every sale automatically appears in Airtable, and that's what we want. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.